If something doesn't go your way,
Yeah.
or if there is something that you've tried and you maybe consider it a failure, would you celebrate that still if it didn't go as planned?
Man, ek weet nou nie of ek dit met baie vanvare sal celebrate
Ja.
nie, maar ek dink diep dan is dit maar 'n persoonlike ding wat ou vir
Ja.
jouself sê, okay, let's see the positive and the good,
Ja.
take that with you,
Ja.
en dan met die volgende en dan pak jy dit weer aan met dit wat jy geleer het uit jou lesse uit.
Ja, ek is so bly jy sê lesse, want wat is daai ding hulle sê, never a failure, always a lesson?
Yep.
Yeah, so have I got something for you? The Musée des Arts et Métiers has unveiled a brand new exhibition called Flops, Dare, Fail, Innovate, and it's running until the 17th of May, and it's turning invention on its head. So instead of showcasing only the world-changing successes, this exhibition dives into the misfires, the rejected prototypes, the products that were ahead of their time, or just completely missed the mark. Visitors can explore everything from dangerous children's toys and failed tech experiments to commercial disasters and marketing mistakes. There's even a section inspired by artist Jacques Carolman's whimsical catalogue d'objets introuvables, the playful collection of absurd, impractical objects that poke fun at consumer culture. The exhibition shows how many so-called flops have actually paved the way for future breakthroughs. If you think about forgotten gadgets like Minitel or the Wii U, they were all stepping stones towards the technology that we now take for granted. With interactive displays and immersive staging, the museum reminds us that failure isn't the opposite of success. It is often the beginning of it.